Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an auto reply or out of office message in Gmail. This is perfect for when you're going on vacation, taking a break, or just want to let people know that you won't be checking emails immediately. Let's get started and make sure your contacts are always informed. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're logged in and in your inbox, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This opens your Quick Settings menu. From there, select See All Settings to access the full Gmail settings page. Now, in the settings, make sure you're in the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Vacation Responder section. This is where you can create your automatic reply. Start by turning the Vacation Responder on. Next, set your start and end dates. The start date is when you want Gmail to begin sending automatic replies, and the end date is when the auto reply should stop. If you're unsure about the return date, you can leave the end date blank, and Gmail will continue sending replies until you turn the responder off manually. Now, type in your subject line. For example, out of office or away from email. Then write your message. Be clear and polite, letting people know that you're away, when you'll be back, and if there's someone else they can contact in case of urgency. For example, you could write, "Thank you for your email. I am currently out of the office and will return on return date. If your matter is urgent, please contact alternate contact. Otherwise, I will respond as soon as possible after my return." There's also an option to send auto replies only to people in your contacts. Check this box if you want to limit your responses to known contacts. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. Your Gmail account will now automatically reply to incoming emails during the period you specified. This simple feature helps maintain professionalism and ensures no one is left wondering why you haven't responded. And there you have it. Setting up a Gmail auto reply or out of office message is quick, easy, and extremely useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Gmail tips, tech tricks, and tutorials to make your online life easier and more productive.